Today we are going to discuss about limit test for iron. So first we will see the principle involved in the limit test for iron. The limit test for iron is based on the formation of purple color by the reaction of the iron with thioglycolic acid, that is mercaptoacetic acid, to form the ferrous thioglycolate complex in presence of ammonium citrate. In addition to formation of complex with ferrous ion, thioglycolic acid also acts as the reducing agent to convert ferric ions to ferrous ions. So if iron is present in the form of ferric ions, it is converted to ferrous ions. Okay. So thioglycolic acid, which is used as the reagent, it reduces ferric ions to ferrous ions, and this ferrous ions reacts with thioglycolic acid molecules to form the complex called ferrous mercaptoacetate complex or ferrous thioglycolate complex. And in presence of ammonium citrate buffer, this ferrous thioglycolate complex shows the purple color. So this complex is purple colored in alkaline medium. So the ammonia is used in this reaction because ferrous thioglycolate complex shows purple color only in alkaline medium. Citric acid is used, which forms ammonium citrate buffer, which stabilizes the ferrous thioglycolate complex. Citric acid also complexes metal cations other than iron and thus prevent their interference in the complex formation. Another use of citric acid that it also prevent precipitation of iron by ammonia. I will see the reagents that are required in the limit test for iron. First, iron free citric acid, which is 20% weight by volume in water. Second reagent is 10% ammonia solution, which must be iron free. It is prepared by diluting 42.5 ml of strong ammonia solution to 100 ml with water. Another reagent required is 0.1 normal sulfuric acid. Okay, so it is prepared by diluting 2.7 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid to 1000 ml with water. This standard iron solution, to prepare standard solution containing 20 ppm of iron, can be prepared by dissolving 0.1726 gram of ferric ammonium sulfate and adding 10 ml of 0.1 normal H2SO4 and diluting the solution to 1000 ml with water. I will see the procedure which is involved in the limit test for iron as per the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2018. So in 2 Nessler cylinder we have to label as test solution and standard solution. So in Nessler cylinder labeled as test solution, dissolve the specified quantity of sample in 20 ml of water. Okay. And in second Nessler cylinder labeled as standard solution, transfer 2 ml of standard iron solution. Okay. Now in both the test and standard solution, add 2 ml of 20% citric acid solution. Then add 0.1 ml thioglycolic acid to both the Nessler cylinder and mix them. Then make the solutions alkaline with ammonia solution. Okay. And then dilute both the solutions to 50 ml with water. Now allow to stand for 5 minutes and observe the color produced in test solution and standard solution. Now if the observation is such that if test color is less intense than standard color, then the sample passes the limit test for iron. Okay. So if your observation is like this, purple color produced in test solution is less intense than purple color produced in standard solution, then the sample passes the limit test for iron. And these are the references for the procedure. Thank you.